sorry, it stopped recording, so let's keep doing it. So, I guess. Sorry, it stopped recording randomly, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Hey, Snakies. Hi. My sandwich, because my sandwich is yummy sandwich. Okay, so which one's safe? Okay, let's go inside. Yay, I took no damage at all. Let's go. Yay, I took no damage at all. Yay, I took no damage at all. By the way, I'm doing a whitey. Whitey. No, you took damage. I did not. I know. IK is I know. So yeah. Let's keep going with the story. First back up. Okay. The snakes are gone. Yay, let's go. It's my second time. Last time the game crashed. The bad news is that we're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Okay, let's do it. Nice. Wait, what? Wait a second. I'm not gonna die. Nah. Okay, got one because those peeps stole it. Okay, let's go. Is someone gonna die? So, oh, someone died. 2 people died. It's just us. Oh no, it's just us. I know how to do this. I survived before. Oh god. Blue. Am pretty sure it's blue. Last time it was blue. Last time it was blue. So. Blue. I hope I live. Okay, guys, if I live, there's gonna be a part 4. Yay, I'm right. I saved myself because I knew which one was right. Yo, okay, bro? Yo. Okay, bros. What? I'm making a video.
You're making a video?
Yeah.
She's making a video, Brandon.
Hi.
in your video?
Hi.
Can you put me in your video?
I can't show. I don't have a face camera or anything.
You'll have to look at her video when she's done with it, Brandon.
Yeah.
Is she like editing it right now?
Yeah, I'm recording it right now.
What's your YouTube channel?
Capital A, AW Unicorn 1213. But there's a space between the 1213 and the unicorn part, and the A is capitalized. So it's AW Unicorn space 1213.
Yeah, I'll text it to you later so you can check it out later.
Sorry. Sorry about that. That was my brother. I'm so sorry. It's a creature. Creature? What type of creature? Nothing. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Cough. Cough. You die now. Uno reverse. Card, bro. Oh my goodness. Wee. Last time I found it. Can I be co-pilot? To be good ending for my viewers. No, my viewers, no. Good ending. Guys, you might get the bad ending, but who knows? I'm gonna put it in the title. Good ending. Pause. Good ending, please. Oh gee, guys. So I am the co-pilot now. So I'm gonna be choosing if I want the good ending or the bad ending. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the good ending. Okay, guys. Okay, I am gonna be good. Okay. Here I'm gonna do. Get off me. Get off me. Mwahaha, you humans are funny. Excuse me? Actually, I think I'm funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, AW Unicorn 1213. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Nah. Nah. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. No problemo. No problemo. Problem. No problemo. He said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Victory! Okay guys, so that was all I was going to do for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the video and I will see you all next time. Bye!